Hello everyone, good day. My name is John Adrian Galvez. Welcome to Fiesta Employment Agency. Today, we're presenting the top 10 most in-demand IT jobs for 2026. Information technology is the fastest growing sector in the world. Today, we'll look at 10 roles that offer great pay and stability. At number 10, web developers. They build and maintain the websites we use every day. A great entry point into tech. Number 9 is the system analyst. This pro study a company's computer system and find ways to make them more efficient. Coming in at number 8, database architects. They design the system that store and protect vital company data. Number 7 is for the leaders. IT managers oversee entire technology department and ensure everything aligns with business goals. Number 6, computer network architects. They design, build data networks from local office setups to global clouds. At number 5, we have cloud architects or engineers. As companies move away from physical servers, these experts manage the digital sky. Number 4 is the software developer. This is the one of the most high volume jobs involving the creation of apps and software. In our top 3, data scientists. They turn massive amount of raw data into smart business decisions using math and AI. Our runner-up is the cybersecurity analyst. With rising threats, companies are desperate for people to protect their networks. With cyber attacks rising, demand for security analysts has surged by 30%. They are the frontline defense of global infrastructure. And the number 1 IT job right now is the AI engineer. They build the intelligent systems that are defining the future of the tech. Fiesta Employment Agency is here to help you land these roles. We connect to top talent with the best employers. Thank you for watching. Here are our research sources. Start your journey with Fiesta Employment today. Thank you. Please let me know if you have any questions and have a good day. Thank you and bye-bye.